The problem people have trading cryptocurrencies is because they don't have the knowledge they need to know before they can embark on cryptocurrencies. It's very good business, but you need to have the knowledge before you can start trading. Please make sure you get the knowledge before you start trading. My name still remains Akoya Karafia, the dude that left home to fit home. Welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money online. This is very important. This is like warning. Please make sure you know everything about this particular cryptocurrency before you can start investing on it, so that you don't say, had I know at last. Okay, because I love you, because I care for you, because we are one. This our struggle to feed our home. Okay, let's go there. Let me show you everything you need to know about this particular website and how you can start making money with it. Okay, this is my honest review. Make sure you watch till the end, because I have a lot of people that have been making money with this particular website. Okay, please make sure don't skip any part of this video, and always remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because I have a lot of quality video like this. Crypto is a high risk investment. This is because it is so volatile, often fluctuating by huge amount within a short period. As with any investment, you must be prepared to lose what you put in when investing in crypto. So please, if you are investing in crypto, always prepare your mind that either you lose or you gain. Okay, and it's not good to put all your apple in one pocket. It's always better to spread the risk. Okay, don't put something that you will regret in future. Always put something that you will not regret. So that is what crypto is all about. If you want to invest in crypto, make sure you put something that you can endure, something that cannot give you high BP. Okay, because you are my brother, because you are my friend, because you subscribe to my channel, I don't need to tell you right. I will tell you things the way it is. That's what this channel is all about. Telling you the truth the way it is, without even thinking of losing anybody, because the reason why of this channel is to tell you things you need to know, either bitter or sweet. Okay, so today I will show you a lot of things that you need to know about this particular new crypto. Today I will show you this particular website that you can earn 3% with whatever you put in. Okay, so this website is called COTP. Okay, COTP. This website promises that you will earn over 3% daily with US licensed crypto arbitrage, COTPS. Okay, that's what you will earn 3%. This website says that it has been running since 2019, but after my researching, I noticed that people start reviewing this website since last 3-4 months ago, and I don't know why they said that this website has been running since 2019. Okay, so that's not the reason we are here. I'll tell you so many things you need to know about this website. Okay, this is a crypto exchange arbitrage system using USDT. Okay, TRC20, and up to 3.3% daily, 7 days a week, running since 2019. That's what they said. Okay, instant withdrawal in seconds, MSD license, trade trial referral system. Okay, buy USDT, coin low and sell high. That's what they are trying to tell you. If you follow me to the end, I'll also show you some of my friends that are earning a lot of money with this particular website. Okay, because I will not come here to deceive you. I'll tell you things the way it is, so you are the one to make up your mind to know whether you will join the website or not. Okay, so arbitrage exchange is when a trader buys the same asset in one exchange and sells it in another exchange to make profit. Okay, the transfer of these assets from one exchange to another is what terms as over the count OTC trade. Okay, so let me show you one of my friends that chatted their customer service and what the customer service tells him. Okay, because I'll show you everything the way it is. Let me go to my WhatsApp and show you this. Okay, this is the message. Hello, how can I help you? Can the company design software that will help trade for customers every 2 hours? The company can make it optional so that customers who are willing for automation can subscribe to the booth. It can also generate money for the company. Okay, customer can subscribe for the automation at a small fee for 1 year and then renew. Okay, are you there? So the customer service send this. Please always listen to this particular warning, okay, so that you will not fall to so that you will not be victim of all those scammers that will scam you. Because I noticed that this website, there's a lot of scammers, a lot of people trying to scam people. Okay, that's why you need to watch everything the way it is, because I will expose everything the way it is so that you will get that knowledge and you will not be deceived. Okay, this customer service said COTP does not support automation trading. The platform is not responsible for capital loss caused by using automation trading. Please use manual trading. He said that this website does not support automatic trading. Okay, always use manual trading. Don't look for anybody that will tell you that you can use automatic trading on this website. Those people are scammers. And this website has their app, and please make sure you use their website, the official website, because there's a bunch of app in the Play Store. Okay, so that you will not fall victim of those scammers that will come and scam you your hard-earned money. So please make sure you trade wisely. Respond of the customer service. Okay, trade with caution. So let's go back to the website cotps.com. Once you click on it, you can use my link in the description to register. Okay, let's go to the website. Let me show you a little things you need to know. Okay, crypto OTC trading platform. This is the website. This is the website. This is how it will look like. Okay, if you are using phone, if you want to register, all you need to do is just to click on this place, the last one that says mine. Okay, if you click on that, once you click on that, it will bring you here, and all you need to do is just to put your phone number. Okay, after phone number, they will send message to you. That's your, if you click on registration, okay, then you select your country. Select your country here. Select your country. Once you select your country, the next thing you should do is just to put your phone number. After putting your phone number, you will see this particular verification code. Okay, once you get the verification code, you will put it here and then click next. Okay, after that you will verify your account and put some things. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, you can go through all those things. It's very simple. It's step-by-step registration. All right, so once you are in the next video, I'll show you how to trade and how to fund your account. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, and also like this video so that it will reach other people. And I'm pleading with you, trade with amount that you can trade with. Don't put all your apple in one basket. Okay, trade with caution and you will love trading. Trade with caution. The next thing is that I'll show you some of my friends that are making money, a lot of money, because I saw this website that was day before yesterday. And you know how we do in this our channel, we always do some research. Okay, know a bit about the website. We don't just jump in because the website is paying. We need to do our own research to know whether the website is worth putting our effort on. So I'm going to show you those people that make a lot of money. Those people are my friends. They are shared this with me, and I say, okay, let me do more research as online money hunter. Let me hunt and know whether the website is legit. For me, the website is legit until they approve not. Okay, so all I'm asking you is trade with caution. Don't put all your apple in one basket. Okay, just trade the one that you can endure. That's the only thing I can tell you right now, because you are a brother to me.
So, Mr. Dave, my own professor of OTC, this is the long-awaited OTC accumulation for the month of March. I told you at the end of the month, I'm going to show you the review. So I had to keep it in one account so I wouldn't make mistake, and I want to keep record of what I've made so far. Watch it. Yeah, this is it. This is it. It's loading. This is 1.5 million 6,000. I was unlucky that they come down to me. Look at it. You can see the dates. You can see the dates where I've been depositing what I'm making always. You can see when I made like 300k at once and stuff. This is the what is OTC have done for the month of March. Thank you. I appreciate it so much.